Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have the goal, 4,000 watch hours. Start by focusing only on content that generates long views. First, audit your top 10 videos to learn what holds attention and why. Then, map a 30-day calendar with 3 to 5 uploads per week plus shorts for discovery. Once done, batch record similar format videos so you can publish consistently. This early momentum builds the hours you need while you iterate on topics that keep viewers watching longer. Now, push watch time by refining thumbnails and titles to attract the right audience, not just clicks. Structure every video with a strong hook in the first 30 seconds, deliver value consistently, then use an internal call to action to watch another related video. Make playlists and use chapters to guide viewers through sequences. This raises session time. Also, pin comments linking to the next logical video and use end screens to funnel traffic. These steps compound. Finish by scaling what works. Double down on the top 20% of topics that generate the most watch time and schedule more of those. Monitor analytics weekly, track watch time, audience retention, and traffic sources so you know which changes moved the needle. If growth stalls, troubleshoot. Low retention means test new thumbnails, shorten intros, or tighten edits. Low reach means promote via shorts and playlists. Make sure to iterate quickly, small, focused changes compound into 4,000 watch hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.